I want to take 1 second to celebrate something which is so important to us at Microsoft, which is this community. It's my honor to welcome everybody to MPPC 2023.
They really did it bigger and better this year in Vegas. The energy is really high.
It's a great opportunity to be able to work with people that do the same thing as you.
Whether you're a developer or not, we are all here because we love to build and we love to create.
This is it. I see it. I see the change.
The Copilot looks really good, and it seems like there's a lot of very useful innovations.
We have a ton of exciting stuff to show you, a bunch of announcements, a bunch of exciting demos. So you guys excited to see it? All right.
I think it's going to be really great for our entry-level people that have never seen Power Automate before, and they just want to get started.
Copilot has been amazing. I know it's absolutely going to revolutionize the Power Platform.
I feel like we are literally at the precipice of what is going to be an amazing and remarkable journey.